Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's how-to video for today. Today's how-to video is going to be about potting up cucumber plants. Cucumbers are something that I grow every year without doubt. Very easy to grow. I've never had any trouble whatsoever growing cucumbers. The variety that I grow are market more cucumbers, as they don't require you to physically or use bees to pollinate them, because they pollinate themselves, so it's easy enough to get them pollinated, and you will get lots of cucumbers off these variety. So let's see what we're doing today. So about 3 weeks ago I planted all my cucumber seeds. I just got a seed tray, put a layer of compost in, just put my cucumber seeds in the seed tray, spread them out a bit, and cover with another layer of compost, water them, and then I put a layer of cling film across the top to keep them warm, to help them grow and keep moist, and this is the result. So these are what they look like now. Those are weeds. They're growing well. So yeah, these are what they're looking like now. Nice healthy cucumbers. A couple have died off, but I've got lots of cucumber plants. So it's a case of getting them all potted up now. I'm going to be potting up about 20 to 30. That is a lot of plants, but like I said, I love my cucumbers. Have them with everything. I have them in smoothies as well, and I give a lot to my friends. So I want to get them all potted up now. So let's show you how to get them potted up. So we're going to be potting them up. This isn't the final stage before they're in the final plant pots. They need to grow a bit more, hence why I'm potting them up, so that they've got the space to grow and for the roots to get going. So we're just going to use normal small little plant pots, just that size, will do perfectly. So we need some multi-purpose compost. We don't use anything special, as there's no need. I've just used multi-purpose for the last few years and it's worked perfectly. So we fill a plant pot with multi-purpose compost just like that. Then all we do is put a hole in the middle, nice and easy. Then all you've got to do is be very careful, get your finger in the seed tray, pull out a cucumber plant just like that, and then I don't mess with the roots or anything. I don't pull off the old soil, I just shove them in nice and gently, just like that, and that is your cucumber plant potted up nicely, just like that. Then all it needs is a water and put in somewhere that's nice and warm and in sunlight to help it grow. So let's do another one. So we fill the plant pot with compost, we put a hole in the middle, we grab his cucumber plant, be very gentle because we don't want to damage it or break it. Place it in, just pat the compost down around it so it's secure, and there we go, there's his cucumber plant. So let's carry on with the rest of them. I've got all them potted up, got about 25 cucumber plants, all looking well. We just need watering and letting them grow. So I've now planted them, as you've seen, and we're going to leave them probably for about 3 to 4 weeks so that they get a bit bigger, and then we'll be transplanting them to their final stage, which will be in flower buckets. I always plant my cucumbers in flower buckets, so make sure you stay tuned for when that gets posted. And I'll show you how I set them all up with my watering and everything. as I use water irrigation to save time when I'm watering, and also just to give them that bit of water every so often, as obviously cucumbers are made up of water, as that what makes them juicy, but obviously not too much water. So that's coming up soon, so we'll leave them now to grow, and I hope you've enjoyed watching today's how-to video for today on growing cucumbers and potting them up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new videos that are getting posted, and also you'll get a notification when a new video gets uploaded. Make sure you leave a like and a comment in the below so that I can see that you've watched it. Also feel free to check out my new website where all my videos are posted, www.theyorkshiregardener.com. There is also a lot of other interesting facts on there as well to help you out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.